The voiceover was done with VoiceMaker text-to-speech software. Link is in the description. Firstly, make sure your background wrap mode is set to repeat. Now let's start off by creating a quad game object. Reset the transform and remove the mesh collider. Now drag in the background sprite to it. Make sure the material's set to unlit/texture. Now let's scale up our background. Create a new C# script. Open it up in Visual Studio. Remove the start function as we won't be using it. Now create two variables, a float and a renderer. Name the float speed and the renderer background. Inside the update, type background.material.main texture offset plus equals new vector 2 speed times time.delta time for the x and 0 for the y. Head back into Unity, assign the script to the player, assign renderer, and set the speed to something like 0.40. Let's try that. It's working. Thanks for watching, and a special thanks to voicemaker.in for some awesome text-to-speech. Link is in the description. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, bye bye.